orange juice. So today's Friday. There's Kyle. Kyle's being a little doobie-dobby. My keys. My keys have fallen. Welcome to the vlog. Like and subscribe.
You know what I miss most about you?
Huh?
That you don't work at Subway anymore.
Oh, wow. That's nice. What do you got? What do we got here?
Steak and cheese.
I used to give it the discounts, yeah? That saved this man at least $100.
Yeah. When you used to work at Subway, I used to, you know, get Subway every day, trying to look like Fitbuttcheeks. Trying to eat all this food and just trying to get, you know, cheat meals and stuff, you know, I'm clenching and...
Yo, what'd you say? Yo, what'd you say? Yo, Carl, he's talking shit, dog. What'd you say?
Stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a...
There's a woman sleeping here. Is she yours? Oh, this Farkas' girlfriend? There's a woman on the couch. Interesting. What's going on? What the fuck?
I'm excited.
You gonna eat all this? I'm gonna eat some of it, but are you gonna pour all that stuff in?
I'm gonna make it good tomorrow.
What do we got going here? What's going on? Oh, why is the lighting here so tragic?
I don't know, it sucks.
Is it actually this yellow?
Oh my god, it's shaped into a box!
Jello. I need a bowl pack too.
Think so.
No, I'm not talking about that.
Oh, you're funny.
Ha 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 ha. You fucking addict.
No, I don't think I'm addicted. I just do it for fun.
Carl's addicted. Dude, I don't think this is cooked properly.
Broccoli?
Properly. This is all like one thing now. Is there any of that other shit?
This lighting really does suck.
Where are you going?
No.
No. I just got off the phone with Logan Paul again. You know what's up. Business meeting there, business meeting here. So I woke up today. It's 1:08 p.m. right? And I got a text from Ben. Take a look there. The man's taking apart the Miata. I gotta join in. So we're gonna go over there. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be pizza, so I don't have to eat breakfast. So I'm pretty excited. You can't see me. I'm like one of those Lego things from Star Wars, you know what I'm saying? Oh, Jesus. Guys, I'm gonna tell you my secret to life. So, my secret to life, if you're ever feeling sick or if you ever even sneeze, drink a bottle of orange juice. Not those little small bottles from like McDonald's, like a full-size bottle from your local grocery store, and you'll be fine. Yeah. What do we got there? What do we got there? Hello, Ben.
Hey.
Ben likes women.
And food.
And food. Mostly
food.
Yeah, so we just got to Ben's house. There's a Miata here, a Miata there, a Lexus here, almost a Lexus there. Basically. We got some
Miata here.
marijuanas. Boy, this thing is still clean. Alright, Mr. Ben. So, on this segment of How Did We Meet, we got Ben. Ben, how did we meet?
Tinder.
And that was our segment of How Did We Meet?
Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Bro, what are you doing?
Come on. What's going on, man? What's going on? Just cleaning here. Cleaning the windows. Bro, that's my car. So we don't have an oil pan, but we do have a cooking pan thing for rectangle roasters, whatever that is. That's black. Oh, actually it's kind of brown. Uh-oh. How much oil got in that thing? Alright, so I just got the M108. The oil filter that we had was a little small. We had that 103, I think, the M103. So I just went to Advanced Auto Parts, got a new oil filter. And now we're headed back, so hopefully this one fits.
I give my oil to a guy and he burns it for his barn. So it all gets reused. You know, 1 quart of oil can pollute 1 million gallons of water. Pretty interesting, right? Yeah.
So like and subscribe to the vlog. Let's hit 1 million by tomorrow.
Yeah, we hit 1 million tomorrow, I'll drink all this.
You guys heard it first. We hit 1 million likes. He'll drink that whole thing of oil by tomorrow.
Me at the hotel room.